Want to make money on your own terms? Look no further. In this video, I'll reveal a unique and exciting opportunity that allows you to earn over $2 per minute simply by chatting with others. Imagine the freedom of working from anywhere, setting your own schedule, and earning a lucrative income in just a few minutes. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Watch the video now and start earning today. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now let's get started. Imagine earning $2 plus for every minute you spend chatting and making video calls. With rentacyberfriend.com, you can turn your spare time into a profitable venture. No more wasting hours on mindless scrolling or unproductive activities. Make every minute count and get paid for your time and expertise. Rent a Cyberfriend is a social platform that allows you to connect with cyberfriends globally based on your interests and earn money. Earn from anywhere in the world. To get started, sign up, update your profile, add your interests using different hashtags and pay rates. Be online to accept call requests and start earning money. Share on social media to attract more clients and followers. It is an opportunity for everyone. No degree or certificates are needed. Just you must have a good internet connection and a camera. Be 18 years and above. Have a good smile and be friendly and passionate about what you do. Make deep connections with callers and get paid. Instant video calls. You can fix your own rate, and payment is per minute with a 20% platform fee. You can withdraw the balance of your earnings by a bank transfer and PayPal. Sign up now and start earning over $2 per minute by making video calls. Join thousands of individuals who are already taking advantage of this incredible opportunity. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.